Hello guys, in this video we talk about Microsoft Word and what are their basic tools. Microsoft Word is a text processor in which we could create a document and edit it. For creating a document we need to open a blank document. As we can see in the top of the screen it's a toolbar in which we could see the types with different edition options like File, Home, Insert, Design, Reference, Mailing, page layout, view and reviews. Now, we correct text for show a couple of easy tools. We press the Enter key to start a new paragraph. For move over the text, you could make in the grid direction arrows keys or make it a click with the left button of your mouse. For left one space, you could use the space bar. For erasing any character in the text, we could use the like key, putting the cursor to the left of the character that you want to erase it. You could use the backspace key too, but you have to put the cursor to the right on the character that you want to erase it. Once finished, your text you could correct the words that are written in the wrong way. Automatically, the text processor underline or colored the words with misspellings and in blue the words that are considered like syntax errors. For correction, you should make a right click on the word and a menu will be shown with two heads of words. To replace the wrong word, also in this menu you have the option of ignoring the word or add the word to the dictionary of the text processor. For select some text, you used to make left click and drag over the text. Then you want to select a select text appears with a gray background. If you want to select a word, you used to make double left click over the word that you want to select. For select a paragraph, you have to make triple click over the paragraphs that you want to select. Select a text columns to make correction of style, font size, and among others. Select a text also allows cut, paste, and move text framings.
Well, it's very important to search your Word document so you don't lose the work you have done. To do this, we will click on the File tab. To select the Save As option and right side will appear as the option to save, and you must decide where the file will be stored inside your computer. In this case, save my document in Computer and select the Browse option to find the folder that I want to use, and a dialog box will appear. In the left-hand panel, find the folder where you want to save the file. For example, I will use the Documents folder. In the space field name, type the name that will carry the file to be able to find later. And finally, I will click on the Save button located in the lower right corner of the dialog box and Ready. Now the file will be saved to the computer. Remember that Word 2030 also allows you to save your documents in OneDrive. So you can later access them from any device with internet access.
Formatting is all about adding visual touch to a document to make it easier to read and look. I will explain about the formatting of a document. First, select the heading, right-click and choose the mini toolbar. You can change the type of the letter, like bold, and increase the font size. If you need more formatting choices, you will find them on the ribbon, like font, paragraph, and styles. The paragraph group has some useful options, like bullets and numbering. If you want to change text, select and click the buttons. You can turn the options off if you click the button again. You can align the paragraph like to left, to right, or center. In the Adjust Line Spacing, you can choose single space, or double or triple. Finally, in the Quick Access toolbar, you can find the button Undo. You can undo all different changes of the document.
Okay, now for insert item in a document, first we need to open the file, and we'll do that with the command on the inserted tab. Let's start by adding a picture. To insert an object, you first click where we look at it and choose what you want to. Look at picture and click insert. If it doesn't look right, you can check it. First we have to get a picture down to size, and that's what these little handlers are about the border to. Click a corner handlet and draw the mouse toward the center of the picture until it's about to right side. You can always change it later. Next, to determine how the text lines up with the picture, click on this button and check on your layout options. Click another option to see what they do. You can explore how much as you want in the format to picture it. Okay. Notice that when the picture is selected, you get a new type on the ribbon, and this is for open the style of gallery and choose a frame and modify the format of the image. Okay. Okay, now to insert table is similar in the option to picture it. Click where you want to insert the table and check Click Table. Just move the mouse over this box until you get the number of rows and columns you're looking them. You can always add or remove rows or columns with this option. Next, click in each cell and add your text. To add formatting, hold to mouse over the table and this little box appears off the top left corner. Click the box and you select the table. Now you can use the mini toolbar and move up to the ribbon and check all the table tools tabs that appear when you select the table. For example, you can change the style of the table in this option. Now, if you want to add a row, hold the mouse over the border and this bar with a plus in it appears. Just click the plus sign to the same thing to add a column. There are many more things you can insert an option for formatting themes.